Hello! In this video, we will be walking you through the installation process for the Haws model BTL1311 retrofittable bottle stand. Tools necessary for this installation include channel lock pliers, a 3/32 inch hex key, and a 1/8 inch hex key. Parts in the box include the bottle stand platform, bottle stand base, and 4 3/32 inch hex socket flathead screws. Begin by removing the bottom plate of the fountain using the 1/8 inch hex key. After removal of the bottom security plate, use the channel lock pliers to loosen the nut on the drain if needed, and remove the P-trap assembly. Again, using the channel locks, loosen the nut holding the strainer assembly in place, and remove the drain strainer from the bowl of the fountain. Place the existing stainless drain washer over the drain opening first, followed by the bottle stand base as shown. Now, reinsert the strainer, rotating it so a drain opening faces the front. Reinstall the drain washers and the strainer nut, finger tight only for now. Install the bottle stand platform with the supplied flat screws, using the 3/32 inch hex key. Adjust the rotation of the bottle stand as needed for the best fit. Then, fully tighten the strainer nut. You may now reassemble the fountain. Before replacing the bottom plate, be sure to check the drain assembly for leaks. You have now successfully installed the BTL1311. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.hawsco.com or contact our customer service team toll-free at 1-888-640-4297. Thank you for watching.